Okay, welcome to the course. I just wanted to take the time here to make a quick video for you to try to make sure you can, number one, enter the course correctly, and two, get started off on the right foot. Okay, so you should have received an email, British Council PIAP Induction for Pedagogical Leaders. Okay, if you haven't received this email, I would suggest you just going back, clicking here on the inbox, and then on search, click on the subject that says British Council, just type in British Council, and then search, and then you should see that email come up. Okay. So you read the instructions. As you can see, it starts tomorrow. It starts the 22nd. So to enter, we click here. On your email, you should have a username and password. I already have a username and password, so I'm not sent any login details. And it says if you haven't received a password, use the lost change password. Okay. So we click here. It'll take us to the site. The email address that you use to enroll for the course, whether it's a Gmail account or a institutional account, that will be your where you put your email address here. The password should be in this email. Okay. If not, you can click here as instructed in the email. But you should have a password here. Okay. Once you log in, you might be prompted to change your password. Please do that and write that down somewhere. I generally like to use notepad documents to keep that a record of that. Okay. So we just click once we enter our email and our password, then we click on login. Sometimes it takes a second to get in the course. It kind of thinks for a minute and then it'll log us in. Okay. So here is our course. First things first is we click on modules. You will see this course here, Induction for Pedagogical Leaders. Okay. Click right here. Our first order of business will be, as you can see, I've already completed it. First order of business will be completing the Getting Started unit. That's where we will be working for the rest of the week. Okay. And so it's very simple. I've already completed the unit, but let's just go ahead and go through that. So as you can see, the unit will open up in a different tab. Here is where you just logged in, and once you click on, let's just say, for example, here where you'll click on Start, it'll open in a different tab. Okay, and so let's just go back here. And so the idea is you read the instructions, and if there's an exercise to do, well, then you will complete the exercise. This basically gives you an idea. There's some you just click on. You'll click here will be check to see. It gives you, as you go through here, it'll just give you an idea on how to do your profile, how to update your profile. Those are activities that you need to do. And so basically that's how this is. We complete each of the units. All of the units are this way. You click through all of them. You read the information. If there's any activities here to complete, you'll do that. forums are very important. And so here. So this is one thing that once you get through here and it says completed, you get your little check mark here. You got 11 of 11 here. Well, once you click there, it'll close that tab, and then it goes back here, and it'll update your score here, just like I have. Okay. So that's the first order of business this week. Is we're going to complete these 3 units. Okay. Hope this helps, and I'll send out informations on the forums via email. Okay, but I'll just go ahead and click here. I've got 1,000 forum threads, but in the forums, we'll click right here, and you'll see your forum right here. Okay, this will be it. Introduction to Pedagogical Leaders right here. This will be our forum. Okay, then you'll just click right here, and then all of our discussion threads will be posted right here. I haven't opened it up quite yet, but that by the time you open up the forums, well then you'll have a discussion to participate in. Okay. If you need anything, just reply to my email, and I'll be more than happy to help you get started. Thanks. Bye.